Hey there, it's me, Jester. Today I'm going to be talking to all you juniors out there that are working towards your Outdoor Art Explorer badge. There are 5 parts to this badge. The first step is explore outdoor art. The second step is making something. The third step, find music in nature. The fourth step, be a nature photographer. And last but not least, the fifth step, design with nature. From murals on buildings to oil paintings of landscapes, art and outdoors go hand in hand. Let nature be your inspiration as you explore, create, and design your own kinds of art. Each of these steps have 3 different options, so feel free to select which option works best for you. Today, we're going to focus on the second step, specifically on the option in which you can make an impression using nature. So we're going to create some salto so that you can create your own nature imprints. So first, we're going to have to gather some supplies. You're going to need some flour, some salt, a bowl, some different measuring cups, something to mix everything with, and of course you're going to need something to put your creation on, such as tinfoil or wax paper. While you're creating this, it's important to ask an adult for help to preheat the oven to 275 degrees. So the first step is to mix a cup of flour and a third of a cup of salt. Let's give that a good mix. Now you can also add a third of a cup of water. You're going to want to mix this up really good. After you mix those ingredients, you're going to need to knead the dough. You're going to knead the dough until it's all smooth. So don't be afraid to get down with your hands and get a little dirty. When you're done kneading the dough, you're going to want to create some small dish shapes. You're going to have plenty of dough left over, so feel free to make as many as you'd like. So each of these dish shapes, I'm going to use something that I found in nature that I can press into it to create an imprint. So I have some examples here. I have like this little piece of a bush that I found on the ground that I'm going to use. You could also use a pine cone or even a cool looking pebble that you found. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it and press it so it leaves a nice imprint in the dough. So it looks something like that. When you're all done with your imprints, with the help of an adult, you're going to put them in the oven at 275 degrees to bake for 2 whole hours. Once they're done, let them cool before you try to touch them. After 2 hours of cooking, give it time to cool off. Once it's completely cool, it will be solid and you'll be able to paint it and decorate as you want. Mine came out like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had some fun today. Have a great day outside.